Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will be showing you how to rename contact in WhatsApp. So first, you just have to open or launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now tap these three dots at the top right corner and then click settings. Now under settings, you will see options like account, privacy, avatar chats, and so on. But what you're going to do is to go back and tap your name, and then you have to click this pencil icon in order for you to rename your profile or WhatsApp name. So enter your name here, and you have to make sure that you're using the unique name, or you have to choose a unique name in order for your friends or your relatives or someone to easily find you here on WhatsApp. So I think you are given 25 characters or letters in order for you to create your name here. So as you can see here, I have renamed my profile name on WhatsApp. And that's how easy it is to simply rename contact here in WhatsApp. So go to settings, tap your name, tap this pencil icon and change it according to your desired name. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.